And this bar right here, I guess it's called Red Bar now. They just got the new sign. And also this place right next door actually got a new sign as well. They probably just got this within the day. So yeah, two new bars that opened up just right side by side of each other. So Sensations is now Red Bar, and the Gold Moon Bar is now Bliss Bar. All right, so we're here on the Red Street again. It's a Friday. I mean, it's a Saturday. So we're gonna do a quick walk, see what's going on. There's pretty much nothing going on at the Phillies right now. It's pretty much dead there.
I have a look, sir. Don't try.
Yeah, guys. So it's a nice night. Saturdays. There's no rain. It's not too hot. It's pretty much perfect weather. It's just not too much of a breeze. It's been nice these past few days in Angeles. I'm not really like focusing like on any like I'm not really focusing like on any cookies. I'm just like kind of just like walking in the middle and so just like minding my own business, you know. I'm not going close to any bars where they might say something. So I'm basically just like walking. So, you know, I just have to. I think it'll be better if I put the wide lens on the camera, so maybe you guys could just get a wider angle of the street. I think I'm gonna start doing that. It's like it's like a special lens that you have to like take on and off the camera. Like you can't turn off the camera if the wide lens is on. You have to like take it off and then like turn it on. So it's kind of like more like to use that, but I think I might start using it. I'm gonna go over here. Anything at the McDonald's? Nothing really much.
Hey! Hey, boy!
Nothing really much going on at the McDonald's. And yeah, guys. That was the little walk on Walking Street. There's 2 new bars. Bliss and the Red Bar, it's called now, in place of Sensations. And then they opened up the new Cherry Bar near the Phillies. So yeah, maybe we'll do a review on those bars eventually and see how they are. I'm over here by one of the side streets, and they have a little shawarma place over here. It's called Hot Shawarma. So I'm gonna go. I'm curious to how much it costs, because the one on Walking Street, the shawarma costs like 95 pesos. I'm gonna see how much this costs. Beef is 80 pesos. Beef with cheese, 85. There's a shawarma right there. There's shawarma right there. It's good. It's like beef and cheese, 85. Beef is 80. Chicken, 75. So yeah, it's that's pretty much cheaper than the Walking Street. I have to try that place sometime. So it's basically 15 more. So like the regular beef is 15 more pesos cheaper. But I'm not sure how big it is, you know. So I'll have to see. This is what is this over here? Looks like a carinderia or something. Looks like an eating place. Let's see right here. See how much the prices are over here. Tasalog, 89 pesos. Spam salog, 99. Monk salog, 89. I'm not really sure what exactly it is. You can get a Shawar-Manna, 5 pieces, 6 pieces for 50 pesos. Got like a busy little place over here. Little local place. Air flags. Well, that's the tourist place. Buzzer beater.